My TD's happy now. There you go.
This is just an update. This is gonna be my best week ever. Anyways, I'm on the same path of only selling credit spreads, and I did some plays on the side too. But my main plays are selling credit spreads on the Nasdaq future option chains. And we see I have a whole bunch of 0 day to expiration ones that I just did, and I've been scalping them all morning on these huge moves that's been happening. It's incredible, man. This volatility. I lost some money here, and then I ended up making some money this year because I was like betting the upside here, and then I switched off and I switched to betting the downside. So now I'm just selling credit spreads. Here are my plays, and here's what it shows on the here are all my 0 to date. This means all these expire today, right? And all I'm doing is selling the call side. So I'm selling the these are in pairs, so I'm selling the 11,420, buying the 11,470, and then I'm selling the 11,430 and buying the 11,480, and then this is a pair too, selling the 11,550. So basically what I want is that the price of the Nasdaq future contracts not to go above 11,420, right? And it looks like we're pretty safe right now. And it's stock and the Nasdaq, and basically the whole market's been taking a dump all day. And I think it's never going to, even though my hope is it's never going to go back up to 420 right here by the end of the day. But we're still good. We're still cashing in. We may cash in over $300 to $400 a day on this. But my overall play is up $1,300, but we still have 3 days more. So within Monday, if I just let these set and forget, I will probably collect the full $700 in like 3 days, 2 days. But this is eye-opening, man. How you can make money. It's crazy, man. How you can make money going down. And you don't even have to be right. You can sell something way out of the crazy, like I'll do it the opposite way just to show it easier. This is the the price of the Nasdaq going up, right? And all I'm doing is just selling something up here, saying that it's not going to go up to the certain price, right? That's all I'm doing. So see the current price is 11,320, and I'm making bets up here that it's not going to go above 11,420, and for that I'm collecting the $765. But as we see, we still need $5,800 in collateral. That means you need that much money in your account to make these bets. So that's the only downside. But you can still make bets with like $300 or $400, and you still can make $100. But you just have to wait like a week or 2 weeks, and then you'll eventually get it. But anyway, that's my happiest month so far. This is going to be my happiest month so far. Yeah, that's it. And you see, they got all these trades I did. I'm scalping all these NQs. I spent so much money on commissions just yesterday and today. It's like it's sickening, man. But you have to spend money to make money. So, anyways, that's it. I'm still keeping these to the end of the day. I'm going to be watching my screens closely, making sure it doesn't pop up to about right here. If it pops up to about right here, I might just sell out and for some profit. I might get rid of these before the end of the day because yeah, I think it won't go up to here, but there's always a chance it will. So that's it. And I can't wait to next week. Next week's gonna be even more crazy. And I'm only gonna do the same. I'm only gonna do the same type of plays. Only sell credit spreads. But I usually scalp. Like earlier this week, I was scalping a SPY, and then I scalped I think a Tesla play because Tesla was going down so much. So the same kind of concept on the similar plays I do the Tesla. Since Tesla has been going down like crazy, like the last 2 days, right? See the last 2 days. Well, this was Thursday. Thursday it popped up and then went back down. So if we look at Wednesday for Tesla, Wednesday, Thursday, and today, see it's been going down. So what I did is I put a bet way up here that it wasn't going to go back up here, and this was a good day. I didn't scalp today. I scalped it yesterday. Like I was scalping like right here. I made a bet that it wouldn't go back up to here and probably dropped, and it never went up. But I sold out before the end of the day. Like this is the entire day, Thursday. So I bet like right here, and then as long as it's going down, and it went back up, and I sold. So I made some money, not that much, but. And that's what I'm doing all this month, and hopefully we have another. How many more days in the trading days left? I think we have 10 trading days. I don't know if one of these days is off or not, but it's December 16th, 8:32 a.m. and we're having the best month so far I've ever had. All right, thank you. Bye.